Hey there guys, Jason DePaoli here from The Edge Strength and Conditioning. So in this little video I'm just going to tell you that my new website, theedgestrength.co.uk, is now live. I only uploaded it a few days ago. It's not quite finished, there's a few tweaks I need to do, so bear with me while it's going through its paces to do that. But while I'm just here, I'm just going to say I am now slowly transitioning from the Trainer's Edge to the Edge Strength and Conditioning. So this has been a long-term process, so I'm doing it gradually. So the Trainer's Edge has now fulfilled its purpose. Now I've been doing the Trainer's Edge now for at least about 10 years since I started at one of the commercial gyms I've been working at. So now it's time to refresh and do stuff. And now I've learnt a lot more stuff. And I've done a lot more education and a lot more courses. I now need to sort of brand myself a bit more better. So what I am going to do, if you have a look at my website, is mainly strength focused training. So I'm not really going to do much anything else like stuff, personal training, yes, sort of movement patterns and everything like that. But people know me, I don't do anything like boxing. I can do boxing, but that's not my forte. I leave it to other people, and basically, in my opinion, I think boxing, the personal trainers when they're brand new is good, but for me, I don't need to do it no more. It's just too much. I'm just going to pare everything down because you can't do everything to everyone. So I'm just going to sort of like focus on a few things that I'm very good at. Sports performance training, action sports training, strength focused training, especially for older adults, so from the mid-30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, because we all need to sort of get stronger as we get older. That's the main thing. We lose our strength as we get older, and our mobility and flexibility. So all we need to do when I'm training people, especially older people, is just to lose a little bit and gain a little bit. So what I mean by that is lose a little bit of fat and gain a little bit of strength. Okay, so when you're in your 40s, 50s, most of the people I talk to, they're not really interested in getting a big six-pack or getting super thin and strength. Some people, some guys, yeah, some women, yeah, brilliant, do that. But for the majority of people are sitting at the desks and they're slumped over. They just need to get the flexibility and mobility up and just lose a little bit of fat and just gain a little bit of extra strength. So when you're older, so you can play with your kids a little bit more. If you're a grandparent, then you can play with your grandchildren a little bit more. So that's one thing I want to focus on. So if you have a look on my site as well, if you scroll down, I have written out a free ebook. It's a quick guide of how to get strong. Now, what this is just a quick guide. It's not a comprehensive guide of how to get strong. So over the last 15 years of being a personal trainer and a strength and conditioning coach, and I've been 18 years if you include my ski instructor courses, qualifications as well. I've been in the trenches for a long time. I have seen things and I have learned a lot of things. Some things that I used to train, and like burpees for instance, I no longer put burpees into my workouts. I'll put a little logo up now. So from now on, I guarantee I will not put any burpees into any of my workouts. There's nothing wrong about burpees. So if you're really fit enough and you're an athlete, you can do them properly, yeah. But for the majority of people, I won't put burpees. There are a lot better exercises around than burpees to help you get fit and stronger and get your power into yourself. I'm just concerned of getting you healthy and fit and strong. Okay, so this ebook is not a comprehensive guide. It's just a quick amalgamation of bits and pieces that I've taught myself and I've learned over the years. It's all written out by myself. I've designed it all by myself. This ebook is not bought from someone else and I've just put a new spin on it and put my logo on it. It's all done by myself. I have actually written out quite a few ebooks in my time. I'll have to count up. I must have done about 10 or 12 of them. I've written them all out, and if you have a look at it, you can see how much time and effort and detail I put into these ebooks and into my website. So if you look at the website, if you go through it, you can see I've designed it all myself. I put it onto a website called Wix, so it's all easily designed and I might tweak it as well. But if you have a look at that website and have a look at the ebooks that I do, you can see how much time I put into it. And this also goes into what I'm going to do with my own facility when I get it. Now, long story short is getting a change of use for a unit has been a complete nightmare at the moment. I've found a unit, but it's been empty for the last year and I cannot get a change of use. But once I get my own facility, I can guarantee you, if you think of how much I plan my sessions out, my programs, if you have a look at my website, how much detail and how much effort I put into this, when I get my own facility, it will be something that hopefully is not been seen around, especially in Exeter before. I've got all the plans done. I know exactly what I want to do. Hopefully one day, I hope it's not too in another couple of years, because I'm getting older now, but I want to get this this facility, my own little training studio, personal one-on-one studio up and running, because I know I can give more back to people than I am at the moment. At the moment I'm writing out programs, and sometimes I just have to ditch it because the gym's just too busy and I have to ditch programs, which I don't like doing. So that's a quick little video here about where I'm going. So please go to the Edge Strength and Conditioning, or www.theedge-strength.co.uk. I'll put a link in I'll put it in the bottom at the moment. So if you can go onto that, please like and share. If you need any help, just go on to the frequently asked questions. The most frequently asked questions I get asked. If there's any more help you would like me to answer, don't hesitate to give me an email or give me a call, and I'll be more happy to help you any way I can. So there, get cough, hay fever. So there I am. So I'm Jason DePaoli from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. I hope you like this video. Please like and share, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.